Hi, I'm Bobby. Is your son or daughter getting married? Congratulations! You know money conversations are the #1 cause of stress in marriage. The problem, they might not know it. Give them a helping hand. The Marriage and Money Planning for Forever After workshop goes beyond the budget and joint checking account talk. It's the only live interactive workshop that addresses finances, communication, and each spouse's money values from licensed, experienced professionals with no investment or insurance pitch. Just think, if you could go back and do it over, would you spend 1 to 2% of the wedding cost to build a solid foundation for money conversations? Don't leave it to your newlyweds to figure it out on their own. Visit our website or find us on Facebook at Marriage and Money. Marriage and Money Workshop could be the most valuable wedding gift they receive. One partnership, one plan.